crops, everything between that. Here is going to, I'm going to start with a PowerPoint figures. So we are living on week 42, and this report is for week 41. How market behave on this past week compared to the previous week is what we are going to be talking in this short presentation. Maybe 12 to 15 minutes or less. All these are the topics we will be talking this time. We are going to talk about conventional and organic products, beef prices for these different regions in Missouri. We are talking about 5 regions, and we are selecting the market with most head sold at each region. Then we are going to be looking at the small ruminant market and how beef box prices behave so in relationship to the prices in the stock yards. So let's start with the first one. Conventional market in the USA, we can see interesting change from week 40 to week 41. Like broccoli observed a increase in the previous week was low. Like other crops to respond positive to the market this week was carrots, garlic, peppers, potatoes, tomatoes, even went down a little bit compared to the previous week. But you can see in this column, that is the prices paid for pound for most of these products. That is how you will see it in a graph. On one side, we will have the Midwest in orange and the national price on blue. Like in this case, watermelon was better paid in the Midwest, and pumpkins was or show a better pricing on the national market compared to the Midwest. This can illustrate how national and Midwest market compare regarding pricing. If we compare with organic markets, we had here only pricing for national organic, but we can compare how broccoli, like in the national organic, in the price in the national level was almost $3 for organic, for the pound of organic broccoli, and was the conventional price was half that price, 1.49. So just to give you an idea where is the most money, obviously they are more work on doing organic than conventional, but the better pricing is in the organic market rather than the conventional market. Another example here, let's say organic pumpkins, almost $6 in the organic market, and in the conventional market is 4.79. Well, this is an illustration about how the pricing in the organic and conventional market compare. Now we are going to jump to talk about livestock. We start with the Southwest region of Missouri, and we select Joplin stockyard because they had almost 4,000 head sold October 10. The sales over there are on Mondays. So as we can see, the pricing is still low. There is no a recovery as we expect, but these pricing are kind of very low comparing to other regions. They come back in this region in different percents. Medium steers, those animals with 600 pounds or less, observe barely an increase, and they are paid $171.93 for the 100 pounds for those beef. Then you see large steers over 600 pounds, the price drop. Well, the price increased, but it's lower than those for less than 600 pounds. So when you sell your livestock, your beef, you may need to consider weight, but obviously a lot of packers can't get all these guys here who are still are going to compensate a lot of weight when they put them in the feedlots or in other facility. Then the case for heifers, prices are 151 for 100 pounds for those heifers with 600 pounds or less. And it's very close to those, the average price paid to the heifers over 600 pounds. Both of these categories went up last week. In another market, let's move to the central region of Missouri. In the central region, we observe a better pricing for steers with 600 pounds or less. Over here, even though there was a negative change on pricing, the price is much better paid than the southwest region of Missouri. Same way for large steers, and the same way for heifers. In another market, southeast region of Missouri, we choose Farmington. They observe the largest livestock sold, and the price low. The price a little bit lower than even the southwest region in central Missouri. In another region, we are going to move to northwest region of Missouri. The price also stay low in this region. Only 143 registered here. The market is not as big as in the southwest region of central Missouri, but we observe pricing, the price for livestock, in this case beef, large steers, $150 for the 100 pound, with come back from or recover from a very low price on the previous sale. Another market is northeast region of Missouri. In this market, we observe a very good response of the market to farmers. We observe an increase of almost 20% compared to the previous report. And October 14, the price paid for those medium steer with 600 pounds or less was $193.49 for the 100 pound weight. That was one of the best market in the state for this previous week. Also, medium heifer with 600 pounds or less observe an increase in the price paid. This past October 14, the price paid was $167.70 for the 100 pound. Let's move to the small ruminants. How the small ruminant market behave comparing October 7 report to October 14. We observe an increase in the market value for those lambs with 60 pounds or less. the price pay increased 50% and reached to $221 for the 100 pound. On the other hand, those land with more than 60 pounds, the price dropped 5%, and the price paid was 120.37. The price for goats with less than 60 pounds lost a little bit value, but still it's a very competitive price compared to sheep. Even the price for those over 60 pounds was much better and increased 16% to $226 for the 100 pound. Now, as we move to see how beef boxes prices change from last week, we will see that they observe an increase, very comparing how the stockyard market value is on pricing for farmers. In the case of both pigs, boxes beef, we observed 2.15 increase on those choice boxes. The price for the 100 weight, $252. And the price for beef select, 220, that one increased almost 4%, 3.69. With this, we say thank you, and we are looking forward to provide more information as farmers needs. And thank you to Gabriel for helping us collecting all this data. And also everybody around here, assistants, secretaries, and people who provide the resources, mainly beginning farmers and ranchers program and North Central Region Sustainable Agriculture, who are sponsoring most of these activities for us here at Lincoln. Thank you.